What happens when BMW decides to go all in on their smallest M car? You get this, the 2025 BMW M2 CS. And let me tell you, this thing isn't just fast, it's ferocious. Built to thrill both on the road and on the track, the new M2 CS takes everything we loved about the M2 and dials it up to 11. From the moment you lay eyes on it, the M2 CS makes a statement. It looks angry in the best way possible. Those aggressive front splitters, the carbon fiber roof, the forged lightweight wheels, and of course that ducktail rear spoiler. Every angle screams performance. And yes, it's loaded with carbon fiber everywhere. Diffuser, roof, mirrors, boot lid, even the center console inside. This isn't just about looks though. BMW cut around 30 kilograms compared to the standard M2, and that weight saving makes a big difference. Under the hood, an upgraded 3-liter straight-six with M twin-power turbotech, pushing out 530 horsepower and 650 newton-meters of torque. That's 50 more horsepower than the regular M2, and it shows. The CS launches from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 3.8 seconds. If you measure it using the standard 1-foot rollout method, it drops to 3.5. And the top speed? A blistering 302 kilometers per hour, thanks to the standard M drivers package. But here's what really sets this thing apart, the way it responds. The throttle mapping has been reworked to deliver immediate feedback in every drive mode. Torque kicks in from just 2,650 RPM and stays with you until nearly 5,800 RPM. It pulls relentlessly, and it sounds incredible doing it, thanks to that M-specific exhaust system with active flaps and quad pipes in matte black. You want more drama? There's even an optional M-Performance titanium exhaust system with carbon tips. And it's not just about straight-line speed. BMW has reworked the chassis and suspension, lowering the car by 8 millimeters and tuning everything from the dampers to the differential for sharper response. Whether you're diving into corners or hammering down straights, the M2 CS feels planted and confident. M Dynamic Mode and Adaptive M Suspension come standard, giving you a tailored setup whether you're attacking a back road or clipping apexes on a circuit. The steering, M Servotronic with a CS-specific tune. The brakes, standard red caliper M compound brakes with the option to upgrade to carbon ceramics. And those wheels? 19 inches up front, 20 in the rear, wearing track-ready tires. No fake performance here. This car means business. Step inside, and it's all Alcantara, leather, and carbon. Those M carbon bucket seats are works of art, supportive, adjustable, and heated, with cutouts for racing harnesses. The flat-bottomed Alcantara steering wheel has 2 M mode buttons, gear paddles, and a red center marker to keep you locked in on track. Ambient lighting, carbon trim, and a new illuminated CS badge on the door panels add flair without overdoing it. And the tech? You're getting the latest BMW operating system 8.5 with the curved display setup. That includes a 12.3-inch digital cluster and a massive 14.9-inch control screen with iDrive, voice control, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto. The M-specific displays and head-up display are sharp and easy to read even at speed. You control everything from drive modes to the climate system right from the touchscreen or with your voice. Now let's talk pricing. In Germany, this car starts at 115,000 euros. That's not cheap, but remember, this isn't just an M2. It's a limited-run, high-performance CS model that will likely hold value extremely well, especially given how sought-after the previous M2 CS has become. So what's the verdict? The 2025 BMW M2 CS isn't just a faster M2, it's a distilled, no-compromise version of what an M car can be. It's lighter, louder, quicker, and more focused. It brings racing DNA into a road-legal package and wraps it in one of the best-looking compact coupes BMW has ever built. Let me know, is the new M2 CS the true spiritual successor to the legendary 1M and the original M2 CS? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more high-octane reviews like this. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more content just like this. Leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions. I read every single one. And don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified about my next upload. See you in the next video.